Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be showing you how to get these pink strawberry nails. Start off by applying a base coat. Then apply a pink polish for the base color. Take a bright green polish and draw a zigzag line going across the nail closer to the base of the nail. Also, if you want to know all the tools and products I use, check in the description area. Then fill in with the green. Is anyone else as obsessed with this neon green from Cirque as I am? Because I love it. I think it's one of my favorite neons. Now use a pastel yellow polish and dotting tool to apply small dots to the rest of the nail for the strawberry seeds. For the most even dots, I like to start with one line of dots in the middle, then add the other lines of dots next to the first line, making sure they're in between each other. Finally, apply top coat for a nice glossy finish. And that's it for these cute pink strawberry nails. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial and thanks for watching.